it's time to get cooking again. So today we're going to be making one of my guilty pleasures, some chili cheese hot dogs. So we're going to be making our chili cheese sauce from scratch and slathering that on some hot dogs with some cheese and onions. So let's get everything prepared and let's get our ingredients together so we can start cooking. For our hot dog chili, we're going to need the following: water, ground beef, onion, salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, sugar, chili powder, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, ketchup, and tomato paste. So let's get cooking. Alright, so we've added our water to a pot, and to this we are going to add our ground meat. The water has been heating up over medium heat. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our ground meat and put this into the pot. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use a spoon or a masher to completely get this mashed up and broken down. Alright, so our ground beef has been all broken up, and to this we are going to add in our spices: salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, sugar, chili powder. Get that all in there. Then we are going to add in our hot sauce, our Worcestershire sauce, our ketchup, and I've used a spicy ketchup in mine, and looks like I forgot my onions. So we are also going to add in our onions, our half an onion. Let me move these out of the way. And we're going to give this a good stir and get all this mixed up. So we are now going to let this come up to a boil, and then we're going to cover it up. Alright, so this has come up to a boil, and so now we are going to cover this, and we're going to bring this down to about a simmer, and we're going to let this go for 20 minutes. Alright, so this has been going for 20 minutes. Alright. Give this a stir. All looks good. And to this we are now going to add our tomato paste. Get this all mixed up. Right. Make sure we get our tomato paste all blended in. Alright, that looks good. Alright, now we are going to cover this back up and let this go for another 10 minutes. Alright, so this has been going an additional 10 minutes. Now we're going to open this up. Alright, we're going to turn this down a little bit more. And now what we're going to do is we're going to scoop out some of the grease that is collected from cooking. And once I get this done, we'll get over to the island and get us some hot dogs made up. Alright, so we've got everything set up to go. We've got us some hot dogs in some nice steamed buns. So we're going to add us some chili on top. Try not to make a mess. But then again, hot dogs are always about a mess. There we go. That's right up there. We're going to add us a bit of cheese. And we're going to top this off with just some diced red onions. There we go. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Be nice, be kind, because you may make someone's day. And remember, have fun in the kitchen.